How you can fix the Capcut export videos error. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to select out your video, and from here you have to click on this menu icon that is in the top left corner, and from here you have to go in the settings, and in the settings you have to go in the performance. Now from here you have to go in the encode settings. Now sometimes the export issue caused due to uncompatible export video, so you just have to disable this icon of this speed up hardware encoding, and after that you just have to save the changes. So once you save the changes you have to go in the export, and here in the export you have to change your export location. You have to go in the export location and you have to change the location. So once you change the location you just have to simply export your video and you are able to fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.